coffee and juice, feeling strong. Head to the Western Wall to prepare to the evening ceremony. And then we are going to the Dome of the Rocks. Maybe you want to experience the crucifixion place of Jesus again by daylight to sunset. We want to finally make it to the Mount of Olives, because we tried it the last days and also there was not really a nice sunset, super cloudy in the evening. So today we are going to make it. That's the plan, game plan for today. Currently entering through the Jaffa Gate, one of these city entrances you always wanted to experience in old cities. And here we are in Old Jerusalem. Jerusalem is divided into 4 quarters, at least the old city. You have the Christian quarter, the Muslim quarter, the Jewish quarter, and the Armenian quarter. And we are making our way now through the Armenian quarter. Then we are trying to get to the Christian quarter and showing you the street Jesus walked before his crucifixion. Then we are going to head over to the Jewish quarter, going to the Western Wall, showing you how it looks there, and then going to the Dome of the Rocks. It's sunny, a bit cold. Everybody's nice. So let's just go. He speaks German. The most important word for a woman.
Schlussverkauf.
I love it. We are currently making our way to the Via Dolorosa in the Christian quarter of Jerusalem. Via Dolorosa means sorrowful way, and it represents the way Jesus took on his way to his crucifixion, and it ends in the Holy Church of Sepulchre, where he was crucified.
And if you don't really know and pay attention, it's just another small merchant street, but it has major significance.
So we have been here at night, and it was a very spiritual experience. There was almost no one, there was service happening, like you really had your space to experience the whole place. But looking there right now, it's like crowded as heck.
We're making our way now to the Western Wall and see how it is on a more touristy day.
The Western Wall, and if you want to go here you have to pass through security. Your bags will be checked, but you can basically take selfie sticks and big cameras. It's all allowed, and it's also allowed to film at the wall, the most holy Jewish site. Sascha,
that is actually accessible to the Jews, because I think on the Temple Mountain there's the second temple, which is the holiest place, but they are not allowed to go there. That's why they are praying at the Western Wall.
Because it's the closest they can get to the temple.
That's right.
Most people are praying and touching the wall, putting their head against the wall. On the Shabbat it felt like a more sacred and maybe also more dramatic experience. The whole wall is filled with these little paper sheets in all different shapes and colors. Literally everything goes. Some of them fall to the ground, and we learned that they are brushed together and then buried in the Mount of Olives. Mine already fell down, I've seen it, and I couldn't reach it again. So mine is probably gonna get buried in the Mount of Olives. Sascha probably pushed it so hard into the wall, it's still there. We are going to experience now the Dome of the Rocks and the Temple Mount from the inside. It's open since 5 minutes, and we are going to head there to be the first. There is this kind of bridge, wooden bridge, you have to go through to reach the Temple Mount. We made our way to the Temple Mount and we'll see the Dome of the Rock. You have to go to security, and opening hours are very limited. We will put them somewhere here. For winter and summer it's different. Okay, just for the vloggers, if you come to the Temple Mount, no microphones. So you better know beforehand, then you don't have the hassle. We made it! It's really nice. Looks like an archaeological site. You know what I would do if money wouldn't matter today? Eat another Apfelstrudel.
I knew what was coming.
Of course.
It would be nice, actually. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
We're right at that place.
He's almost convinced.
No.
Press the like button to make Sascha buy me an Apfelstrudel.
Okay, we could agree on one Apfelstrudel and a coffee. Let's go.
Better than falafel. Let's go.
And it only happened because you pooped the like button. Good job.
And they are open every day, almost 24/7. No, I'm not thinking about falafel anymore. That's a good thing. It looks as holy as the whole city. Like the whole hill is covered in graves.
Get to the Mount of Olives, you either take a bus. We decided to walk, and it's quite a strenuous hike here, right? Lots of stairs. First you go down the valley, and then you go up again, up until you reach the viewpoint. And that's where we're headed now.
We made it up Mount Olive in time.
And the view is incredible.
Uh-huh.
It is so crazy. All of those thousands of Jewish graves, crazy view onto the old city of Jerusalem. It's definitely worth coming up here. If you are not that into hiking, take a bus. I think they should stop around here. But if you like to burn a couple of calories of this delicious Israeli food, then just take a walk like we did. And approximately start your hike 2 hours before sunset, at least, I would say. Maddy's being romantic. Maddy, what's your recommendation for Jerusalem? I'd say that people should at least stay a week here, right? So book your trip here at least a week.
If you are very organized,
then maybe half a
3
week.
days.
But general advice, Old City, Yehuda Market, and in general the food. That's the 3 things you want to do.
Yeah, your 3 pillars you want to cross off.
Of greatness in Jerusalem. Alright, that's been it from us today. Old City tour. Everything was amazing. We're so overwhelmed. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.
Okay, like as you already know, this city has kind of tension between cultures and religions, and while we've been here there were 2 terror attacks. This kind of showcases you how the tension in the city is always there. And also, like, people are just going about their day anyway here. What else should they do?
Yeah, I think they are used to that.
Yeah,
Kind of.
Okay, how can you ever get used to that?
What else should you do? Huh? Just constantly fear about life, like Germans do?
But yeah, maybe. That's the German way. That's the way.
So after numerous days in Jerusalem, full of culture, food, religion, we are now on our way back to the apartment, and then we're heading off to...
A cat just peed at Sascha.
Delicious.
To the Via Dolorosa in the Christian Quarter. And the way ends at the Holy Church of Sepulture. Is it right? Sepulture. For example, one falling him like...